Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying at home and also studying. Okay, students, do you know today I have an interesting topic for you, and that is my country. Yes, students, do you know where do you live? What is the name of your country? Yes, our country name is Pakistan. We all live in Pakistan. Okay, do you know, students, it is natural for everybody to love his homeland, his or her homeland. Pakistan is our beloved homeland. It is an Islamic country and also known as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Okay, students, do you know when it came into being? Yes, who will tell me? It came into being on 14th August 1947. Every year we decorate our houses with the lights and flags on 14th August 1947. It is our Independence Day. So, which is the capital of Pakistan? Which city? Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. It is very beautiful city and it is very green. Okay, students, do you know Faisal Mosque is the national mosque of Pakistan and it is also situated in Islamabad. It is the largest mosque of Pakistan and it is situated between the foothills of Margara Hills in Islamabad. Okay, if you visited Islamabad, you also have to visit Faisal Mosque. It is a very beautiful and very large also. There are many beautiful mountains and very high mountains in Pakistan. And students, it has 5 beautiful rivers also. Its largest city is Karachi. Have you ever visited Karachi? There is an Arabian Sea in Karachi and it is the largest city, and Lahore is the second largest city of Pakistan, and the Minar-e-Pakistan is also situated in Lahore. And students, do you know it is also National Tower of Pakistan? Okay, next is, now I will show you some more national identities of Pakistan and it will be very informative for you. So come towards the national vegetable of Pakistan. Okay, national vegetable of Pakistan is ladyfinger. Yes, do you like ladyfinger? Its color is green and it can be cooked in various ways. It is a summer vegetable. It comes in hot weather. Okay, now I will tell you the national animal of Pakistan is markhor. It is a large goat and it has corkscrew shaped horns. It has tan color and it is found in the northern areas of Pakistan. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. It is a mixture of Persian and Arabic and various local languages as well. It is similar to Hindi but written in Arabic script. Okay, students, do you know what is this? Yes, it is the flag of Pakistan. It's a national flag of Pakistan and it was designed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Do you know who is Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Okay, I will tell you. And it was based on the original flag of the Muslim League. Okay. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He gave the idea of Pakistan for Muslims. He was also the first Governor General of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam worked very hard for the separate homeland for Muslims. Okay, students, yes, what is this? Yummy fruit, mango, national fruit of Pakistan. It has very different varieties and it comes in summer season. It is one of the most cultivated fruits of the tropical world and it is also called the king of the fruits. It is the national fruit of Pakistan. Okay, this is a jasmine flower and it is the national flower of Pakistan. Its color is white and it is very common flower and can be found in any garden. He is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He is the national poet of Pakistan. He gave the idea of Pakistan for a separate homeland for Muslims. Okay, students, do you know which game is this? Yes, it's hockey, and hockey is the national game of Pakistan. Do you like playing hockey? Yes, national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. It is commonly worn by the people of Pakistan, both men and women. Okay, students, do you know what is this? This is a sugar cane, and sugar cane juice is a national drink of Pakistan. It is also called ganne ka ras. Okay, students, Pak Sar Zameen Shad Ba. This is the national anthem of Pakistan. You know, we daily sing this national anthem in the assembly, in the school on daily basis. Okay, students, we all love our country very much, and we should always pray for our country for its success and safety. May Allah give our country more and more success. Okay, here is a web. In this web, there are some helping words. With the help of these helping words, you will make few sentences about topic my country, Pakistan. So, first of all, this is name. You will write Pakistan is the name of my country, or you can also write Pakistan is my dear homeland. Next word is flag. Its flag is green and white. Next word is provinces. How many provinces are there in Pakistan? There are 5 provinces in Pakistan. This is capital. Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Next word is rivers. How many rivers are there? There are 5 rivers. National flower. What is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. The last helping word is founder. Who is the founder? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. Students, you will paste this map, this web on your English grammar copies, and now your copy work will be. This is your grammar copy. First of all, you will write date Wednesday 13th January 2021. Topic my country. Exercise, write a paragraph on my country. Your first sentence should be my country name is Pakistan, and you can make rest of the sentences with the help of given verb.